Welcome back, everyone. This car is goddamn low. It kind of sucks. So, even with stockies, she sits low. And it's kind of a pain in the butt. But she looks pretty cool. Ignore my rat's nest of wiring down here. So we're going to do a heater core. And it's behind that panel right there. And there's, my light sucks, but there's one bolt up there and one bolt right there. And then this little dome panel will pop out. Obviously you got to pull your glove box and this lower panel off. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out quick and I'll be right back. Okay, you got it out. You gotta have to wiggle it. There is a wiring connector on the right hand side. Just pop it off. And then there's just one bolt holding it in right there. So under the hood, way back in there, right there is where it all connects. Right there. So go ahead and undo those two connectors so you can pull that core out. And remember, there is coolant in it, so drain the coolant a little bit unless you just want to let it go down, which that's your call too. I don't care. But mine's already bypassed, so I don't have to worry about any coolant in there. Got a better light now. Okay, so once you get done swearing and get that off, there is I don't know if you can see it, but in between there is a 7mm that you need to take off. It holds a little clamp. Okay, once you're done with that stupid thing, you can come in here and get that last little bolt. It's on the bracket right there. Make sure you have your new heater core. And now you wiggle it out. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get out. Okay, so this connector, it's this green one and the orange one. It's the vacuum lines for the HVAC. I went ahead and just connected that. It made life a lot easier. So we're going to reconnect that now. There's the old one. Here's that little clamp. So we're going to put that back in there and hook our heater lines up. All right, there we go. Whew, that sucks. So we got those put back in. You're going to want a 7mm wrench for that little bolt in there. But mine's actually bypassed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that quick. And this is done. So, sorry, interrupted video. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share us. Deuces.